It's me, the Evolution Gamer, back here again. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've uploaded a video or used my microphone. So yeah guys, there's a new update on Free Fire, the Street Fighter update. I have no interest in it because all the bundles are for diamonds, etc, etc. So I'm just gonna be doing a collection update and a few updates of Garena. Okay, so here are a few updates till the game loads. Number one, there's going to be a new redeem code coming on 18th, alright? 18th of this month, alright? Over there we actually have to vote on YouTube. In YouTube there's this thing where we have to vote. They'll give us a Google Forms. We can either choose from Rocky Pet. Let me just show you guys. We can either choose from Rocky Pet, this pet. We can either choose from this pet, or we can choose the shuffling emote. Shake. I am so lost. Wait, just a sec. Let me just show you guys. The heck? Where is it? Yeah. The shake it up emote. We can either get this stupid emote, or we can get the cool Rocky Pet. Let me just show you his ability. Rocky Pet's ability is, read it down here, reduce cooldown time of active skills of its owner. So what it does basically is it reduces, suppose you have Alok, Chrono, Wukong, A124, Clue, Skylar. It will just reduce the active skill time. Suppose like Chrono takes at least 2 minutes, so it will reduce it slowly. So yeah guys, that's one update. And now let's go to my collection update. Let me just show you guys. I have this hair, I have this hair, which is basically default. These are the masks I have. Oh my god. Toxic Lamp Python, Puncture Runner, default, and Keyboard Warrior. Let me just put on this hair. This I actually got from Magic Cube Crate. I do not have the Elite Pass. I have this top. This is my favorite. This, a lot of t-shirts. These are a lot of t-shirts. But I love this one. This combo looks cool. Pants, I have this, and in shoes I have this. This I got for ranking, leveling up. Then this, and this. So those are all my shoes. So now here's my collection. Probably you guys already know my collection. There's basically not much of an update in my collection. Besides this backpack, loot box, same thing. Skywing, surfboard, new surfboard. Parachute, not much. Pins, nope. Avatar, basically the same. Banner, yeah, I guess no change. Yeah, that's it for my collection. Now let's go over to weapons. Let me go to armory. For A1, nothing. AK-47, season 21, season 20 skin. Then digital camouflage, temporary. Scar, 2 skins. Farmers, 1 temporary. A94, got it from Weapon Royale. It's permanent. Yeah. Then another one, season 21, Hayato Fireband. And then yeah, that's it for rifles, marksman rifle. Not much machine gun. I have this in core. Merciless Necromancer, it's free. MP5, golden MP5, season 5 rewards. Yeah, that's it for SMG. Then golden M1014, season 7. Bumblebee Swarm. Not much in snipers. Pistols. Mini Uzi. Yeah, that's it for pistols. Melee, I have this. This Parang, I have this skin. This skin. Bat, I have this skin. This skin. And this Cobra skin. I love this one. I got it from a redeem code. So yeah. Well, there's a new FF9 skin coming up. It's literally a chappal. Chappal है भाई ये क्या है बेइज्जती? हाँ, it's literally like a slipper, you know. Okay, Shiva Fatra. I do not have this pet, unluckily. I didn't get it. Yeah, I guess that's it. Let me just show you all my pets. I have Kitty. Skill is nothing. These are the skins I have for Kitty. These are all the actions I have for my most used pet. This is the doggo. I have this skin, this skin, this skin, and this skin. And yeah, that's it for this pet too. Well, yeah, and make sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications turned on to get the redeem code. I won't upload it first, but I will upload it as soon as I get it. Maybe some people who are bigger YouTubers might get it first, but there's a twist to this. The redeem code that is there on 18th July, this month basically, crashed. But yes, the twist is the redeem code will be from 9 o'clock all the way to 12. So guys, it will be only valid for 3 hours. 3 घंटे के लिए ही valid रहेगा redeem code. 9 बजे तक 12 बजे तक ही valid रहेगा redeem code. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to get the redeem code as soon as I get it. And well, is that it? Is the video done? Yeah, I think it's done. Okay. Hello. Yeah. Bye.